Hi, this is Mandy from SunflowersAndDors. Welcome back to my channel. Really good to have you joining with me again. So today is the Down the Rabbit Hole collaboration with Tania from Tatty Treasures and Nanine from Collage Type. And this is the flip through of the final journal. So it's an Alice in Wonderland or Down the Rabbit Hole theme. And so far you've seen me kind of run through the flip through of the kit and looking at putting the signatures together and then building the cover. So since then I've found this absolutely gorgeous pocket watch which does open up. Oh, it does actually tick around as well, so this is absolutely gorgeous, and this was perfect for this project. I don't know yet how I'm going to attach it. It may even just come with the project and you can do what you want to do with it, but I absolutely fell in love and couldn't leave it. It just really is, everything about it is just really, really beautiful. So I hope you can see that well. And we will pop that to one side while we do the run through. Okay, so I've tied this with some organza ribbon using some eyelets so that can be adjusted if need be. So the journal itself is, how many? 22 centimetres by 15.5 centimetres, and this should be around about 5.5 centimetres, just under. There's 3 signatures. The signatures, what have we got? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's 12 sheets in the first signature. They're not necessarily all the same. I have attached the fabric that I bought to go with this just on that front sheet. I just thought it adds a little bit of extra interest. So we flip it over. Our first page, we've got a bookmark with a pocket on the back, and that's just tucked into a lace pocket. Then we've got, I won't go through each and every page, just to run through some of the bits and pieces. This is one of the ephemera pieces that came from the kit, so I've just added that for some interest here. What you will see throughout the kit is I've used Tim Holt's Crackle stamp, and I kind of thought it was a little bit quirky, and because obviously Alice in Wonderland, everything, well, things don't work, things seem to be very upside down or broken or cracked or whatever. I just thought it went really, really well with the concept. I've done some stitching around some of the signature pages, so you'll see that throughout. I've left lots of room for journaling in this one, so it is a journal, a practical journal rather. This one here, just a couple of journal cards inside a pocket, and we've got a belly band here. I don't know whether I did that, no, just a belly band there. As I said, loads and loads of journaling space in this one. This one I created just a little bottom pocket using a few pieces of the ephemera. Again, there's a couple of journal cards in there and just a cute little heart that came with the kit. There's loads of pieces of the story throughout. They're not necessarily in order because, again, it's all a bit of a mismatch with Alice, and so that's the theme I wanted to kind of keep. We've got a tall side tuck, and inside there, again, another journaling card, and this one's got a front pocket here. There's loads of little cute sayings throughout the journal, and you'll find that right the way throughout. So another lace pocket here. This one here is a side pocket. There's a couple of journal cards there. And this here then is a belly band on top of that with a little playing card tucked in. Another side pocket here with some more journal cards, and then in here we've got 3 little playing card pockets with little quotes in each of those. Top tuck, and I've just popped a journal card into that. Again, as I said, you saw this in the last video, this has been attached with 2mm elastic, so it's really sturdy. We've got a polished closure on these sets of doors here, so just a case of unwinding it and they flip open. Another lace pocket. Just a bottom piece here that I've put on so that you can use it as a you can use that, let me just grab something here, as a bottom tuck spot if you wanted to. Okay, this one here is one of my favourite pieces, and I had this quite a lot of my journals. So we start off with this front page here, and there is a pocket right there. Right there. And there is also a tuck spot that goes under here. So we flip this over here, and we've got another pocket here with a journal card. Journal cards are gorgeous, and a lot of them are, as I've said before, printed onto a heavy linen type card. Another journal card here, this one with another little pocket on the back, and you've got a pocket there and a side tuck there. So we flip this out the other way, and we've got a tall pocket here. We've got another pocket here, both of them with tuck spots in. Small bottom slanted pocket, again with a little card in and just some ephemera, wood ephemera. Same on this one here. 2 little pockets on this one. I don't know, was that a pocket? No. So pocket here and a pocket here on that one. This one here is simply just a very plain piece of ephemera from the kit that I've put in there as a larger journaling spot. Here a belly band with a Alice charm on there. Really lovely little Alice charm, I don't know if you can see that. Just attached on there with a jump ring and a eyelet. Okay, so that is our signature 1. Our signature 2, they all start the same image on the front. Again, this one here is just another 3-piece of the ephemera card that you can use as a large journaling space. I love this image of the rabbit. This one here, again, we've got a side pocket here, and then we open this up here, and it opens out 3 ways. We've got 2 little tuck spots here, and we've got a notepad. Now the notepad comes out so that you can actually put another one in. It's just attached with just a bit of a band that goes across. So yeah, that's easy to replenish if you use that up. Some vintage music sheets, again another one of those 3-fold journal cards. This one here, just another journal card. Is that a journal card there, or have I done it as a flip over? No, I've done this as a flip over. So it's just 2 journal cards. I've done them as page flip overs. This one here has got a slight little pocket area. Yeah, so inside loads of journaling space on that one. This one here is a double belly band. So we've got a belly band here, and then we've got another belly band here, and I've just put a journal card in that one. This is a double side pocket with a journal card, and I've used some of the Tim Holtz ephemera pieces on that. I just felt that they went really well with that piece. Again, we've got a nice double set of doors with just some blank journaling space behind, and that's fixed with a policy closure. Another lace pocket. And here we've got 2 pockets here. I've attached them so you've got the pocket space in the middle here, but you've also got a text space on both of these. This is a double pocket, so it's the same piece that goes across both pages. So there's a journal card in this one here, and in this one here I have put another one of the journal cards or bookmarks or whatever you want to call it, and there's a pocket in the back of that with just one of the little sentiments in. Another lace pocket, the other side of the vintage paper, and again with another journal card in. And I think, is this one here? Yeah, that one there is a little pocket space there. Another lace pocket. Signature 2. So signature 3 starts off with a lace pocket again, some more of the story narrative. Another one of the pockets, so in this one here I've got a bookmark, and this bookmark has got a pocket on the front as well. And then we've also got another little pocket here, like so, and I think that's another little pocket there. So we've got 3 pockets on that piece. Again, this is just a fold over with journal space on the other side. This one here, some vintage music sheet, and I've put that as a belly band. And inside here, we've just got a little notebook. Another lace pocket, a side pocket with another little notebook and a little key charm. Again, another double over pocket here. This one, a couple of little journal cards in here. I've put one of the clock faces on the front and used that as a little tuck spot. On this one, again, just a full pocket here, and this is a little pocket here with some of the sentiments in. Beautiful picture. Love it. Again, 2 of the pockets here, and they've been put on so that you've got a pocket underneath and a pocket inside there. Another lace pocket. Another pocket here with another book, little book, what do you call them? Notebook. A little pocket here with some more of the sentiments, and I think that one is just, yeah, just a piece of lace underneath that, just for some interest. Another one of the vintage music sheets, and another one of the notebooks inside. And then we've got another lace pocket, and that is it. So that is our Alice journal. Really enjoyed putting this one together. The kit, well, I enjoyed putting all of them together, but the kit in this one was just stunning. It was totally my colour. I did a beautiful project as part of the collaboration when I first started Young Journaling with Rachel from Rachel and Bella Craft, who did a Alice theme, and that was gorgeous. Just a completely different concept to this one. It was bright, and these are the earthier, more natural tones. So yeah, that is Alice. I hope you like it. It will be going in my Etsy shop. So if you are interested, then please just give me a shout. But otherwise, you've got any comments and you'd like to leave them in the box below, that would be fantastic. And until next time, as always, take care of yourselves, and we will catch up soon. Bye for now.